And good morning, everyone. Welcome to another daily vlog. We are out on another absolutely gorgeous day. The weather is perfect. It's gotta be like specifically 75 degrees Fahrenheit and just gorgeous. We are back at Rockford State Park. Yes, I am sharing location details now. Still getting the hang of this vlogging thing, and I wasn't sure how much I wanted to really share about my location, but yep, it's a local park to me here in Delaware, and it's Rockford State Park. Maybe I'll even share some details about the specifics. The story behind this park is pretty interesting. I believe it was actually a home. It was like an estate owned by someone named Joseph Shipley, and he built his home, which it's there in the back. It's kind of surrounded by trees, but it's a beautiful home and garden that now they use as a museum. And anyway, apparently he was like a wealthy merchant, I believe from England, that made his fortune. I forget how they said he made his fortune, but he built this in the 1800s, I think late 1800s, and apparently the rest of his descendants of his family lived here up until like the 1970s, and then now it's like owned by the local government, and it's kept up and used for all sorts of events and things. But it's beautiful, and there's some really cool trails. So we are back here today because the weather is so perfect. I've got my Bentley boots with me, and here's that gorgeous mulberry tree that we passed the other day. I love it. Love knowing that that's a mulberry tree. And then I didn't see these the other day. Let's see, what kind of flowers are these? This is gorgeous. Let's just walk over just a little bit. I'm not sure. Definitely want to find out what kind of trees these are. Oh, there's a little birdie in there. So pretty. What kind of flowers these are, because it looks like a vine of some sort that's kind of covered up. It's because a lot of it is obviously just brush, but let's see. Get out of there, Boots. Bentley Boots is all he's sprayed up with a couple of different protections for the tiny criminals, the little tickies that like to come out. But you never know. He's allergic to most commercial preventative measures for tickies and fleas, so we just have to do lots of natural remedies. So we just try to keep them out of the brush a little bit. So anyway, come on, Boots, let's keep going. That plant that we just looked up, let's see. Oh, they're dog rose specifically. Oh wow. The dog rose is a variable climbing wild rose species native to Europe, Northwest Africa, and Western Asia. Very cool. Dog rose. It's a wild rose species. Very cool, yeah, because it definitely looked like almost like a vine. Come on, Boots. Let's keep going. We want to try to cover a couple of these like trails back here that I saw the last time I was here, but didn't feel 100% comfortable going back there by myself. it's a very safe area, to be honest, but you know, I would just rather have my little bodyguard with me. He's the best. And also, the last time I went back in one of these trails, the mosquitoes literally like attacked me, just like they swarmed me. So I got a little bit of repellent on too, just in case, because they were crazy. It was also a really hot day. So anyway, here we are. I love poking my head through there because it's so pretty, the way the light comes through those trees. Bootsy is just stopping at all of the spots. He's probably smelling so many smells. So this spot of the trail is always a little bit, I like getting past this spot because it's really close to the road, and so you hear a lot more road noise. But once we get to the other side, it's a little bit more quiet and serene, and we can just appreciate the natural sounds. That's pretty cool. Those must be there for like walking sticks. This walk is such a great workout. I felt like something was in my sock. There we go. Just a little tag. So the main part that I wanted to check out is right down this way. We probably won't be able to stay out too long because Mr. Bootsy looks like he's already getting a little bit hot. Even though I did bring water, just in case. Here's where it really quiets down. These trees are so tall. Come on, Boots. Let's keep moving. I love this spot. It's honestly just gorgeous through here. Just a second, Bootsy. Come on out of here. This part always gets me. This is just beautiful, and they do such a good job with the grounds. I think the little turn that I was keeping my eyes peeled for is back around here. Come on, buddy. Some honeysuckle. Just beautiful back here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Should we take a break in the shade, buddy? This was the little path I wanted to try. See how far back this goes. There's like a little stream back here. Let me just make sure my socks are nice and high. No, we're really not going in any grass, so we should be okay. Just a second. A sec here in the shade, buddy. Just gonna put you guys down for a second. Make sure that my socks. This is honestly not a bad way to spend a few minutes. It's so pretty here. Bootsy, do you want some water? Water? It's a little hot. You want some water? Come here. Come here. Good boy. Let's keep going. Come on, Boots. Don't go too far. Could be wildlife back here. Let's see if the mosquitoes attack me again. Look how gorgeous this is. This is just stunning. Wait, let's put you guys down for a minute. just so I can take another little video with my phone because it's so pretty back here. Oh, look. Everyone carved their names. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I get it. It's nostalgic, but poor tree. Okay. Be right back, guys. Come on, Boots. Try to stay on the trail, buddy. Okay, so far definitely less mosquitoes than the last time. Could also be because it's a little bit cooler. Look at that pretty creek. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, what's that back there? Let's see. Looks like a little house. But first, let's take a little video. There's definitely something over there in those trees. Don't know what it is. Probably just a squirrel, but you can't be too sure. Come on, Boots. Keep going. Sorry, we're kind of throwing you guys around, holding on to all of our items and holding on to Bootsy, and filming is a little tough. Yeah, it's a little house back there. I wonder how you get back there. Can't imagine that it's not a part of the park. Oh, such a pretty stream. It sounds so pretty. Look at that. Oh no, maybe that's like actually somebody's house. There's cars back there. This is so pretty. Oh, there's another house back there. Wow. Come on, buddy. Let's stay on the trail. Oh yeah, this is like backing up to people's homes. Very cool. Whoa. A deer. There's a deer back there. Okay, you guys, we're gonna head back because I definitely just saw a deer in those trees. He's still there. Oh my gosh. I don't know what happens if there's like a dog and a deer. Do you guys know? Alright, we're gonna get out of here, guys. This is like true nature, and I'm loving it. Alright, guys, we're gonna end it here. We're gonna make our way back. Thank you for joining me for another video, and we will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.